Shandong Shiyue Intelligent Machinery Company Limited is located in Linyi City near Qingdao Port, convenient to come by direct flights from Beijing, Shanghai, Guangzhou, and other big cities. Warmly welcome to visiting our factory. Having been experienced and specialized in block production lines over years, our products mainly including concrete block machine, clay interlocking brick machine, and other relative equipment such as mixer, conveyor belt, block stacker and cuber, batching machine, cement silo, and so on. Different from other suppliers, our automatic block machine is European design with airbags and 4 vibration motors, making the machine lower noise but stronger vibration force, and the finished blocks with higher density. We have pallet-free SYMT series block machine with advanced technology. Biggest model is SYMT 1825. It doesn't need pallet, and the bricks can be cubed directly after molding. Save much investment and space for clients. We have exported to hundreds of countries such as America, Egypt, Algeria, Zambia, Germany, Argentina, Cambodia, Japan, Oman, Nigeria, South Africa, Russia, Kazakhstan, etc., and receive high reputation from end users. We provide integrated solutions for our customers' block machine project. To deliver fast, we have half-finished block machines in stock and customize block molds quickly. We also offer timely installation and training services at client site after sales. In summary, you will not regret to cooperate with us for sure. Looking forward to your cooperation.
I do the same thing I told you that I never would. I told you I'd change even when I knew I never could. I know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, yeah. I get drunk, wake up, I'm wasted. Still I realize the time I've been wasting here. I feel like you can't feel the way I feel. I'll be messed up if you can't be right. I told you that I never would. I told you I'd change even when I knew I never could. I know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, yeah. I do the same thing I told you that I never would. I told you